Rich Dad Poor Dad. Author Robert Kiyosaki shares an interesting idea called the cash flow quadrant. He explains that there's a small but significant difference between the rich and the poor. Those on the left side of the quadrant work for money because they want security and a steady paycheck. On the right side, however, are those who work for freedom. They strive to escape the cycle of working hard their entire lives. It's a powerful concept that can reshape how we approach our finances and pursue a life of greater independence. Here are 8 assets that make people rich and never work again. Number 1. Business ownership. Business ownership is a game changer on the path to financial success. When you own a business, you become the captain of your own ship. Instead of working for someone else and building their dream, you have the opportunity to build your own empire. However, it's important to note that business ownership also comes with challenges. It requires careful planning, market analysis, and a solid understanding of your target audience. You'll need to navigate through obstacles, adapt to changing market conditions, and continuously innovate to stay ahead of the competition. If you're ready to take control of your destiny and chart your own course, business ownership might just be the key to unlocking your dreams. Number 2. Real estate. Real estate is a powerful wealth-building asset that can open the doors to financial prosperity. It involves owning and investing in properties such as houses, apartments, commercial buildings, or land. Here's why real estate can be a game changer on your journey to financial success. First and foremost, real estate provides the opportunity for long-term appreciation. Over time, property values tend to increase, allowing you to build equity and wealth. By investing in the right locations and making strategic purchases, you can benefit from the rising value of your properties. However, with the right knowledge and strategy, real estate can be a powerful wealth-building tool that brings both financial security and personal satisfaction. Number 3. Renewable energy investments. Renewable energy investments are a smart and sustainable way to build wealth while making a positive impact on the environment. Renewable energy sources, such as solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal power, are rapidly growing industries. Governments around the world are increasingly promoting and incentivizing the shift towards clean energy to combat climate change. This presents a tremendous opportunity for investors to capitalize on the expanding market and potentially earn substantial returns. Investing in renewable energy can provide a steady stream of income. Renewable energy projects often involve long-term contracts or power purchase agreements with utilities or corporations, ensuring a predictable revenue stream. These agreements can span several years, providing investors with a stable and reliable cash flow. Number 4. Stocks and investments. Stocks offer the potential for significant returns. By purchasing shares of a company, you become a partial owner, which means you can benefit from the company's success and growth. Over time, well-performing stocks have the potential to generate substantial profits, allowing your investment to multiply. Stocks can provide passive income through dividends. Many companies distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. These regular payments can supplement your investment returns and provide a steady income stream. To make the most of stock investments, it's often recommended to seek guidance from financial professionals, such as financial advisors or wealth managers, who can help you build a well-rounded investment strategy aligned with your goals and risk tolerance. Number 5. Rental housing. Rental housing is a great way to make money by owning houses or apartments and renting them to people. When you rent your property, people pay you each month to live there. This money can help pay for the house and even leave some extra for you. Over time, the value of the property can go up, which means it becomes more valuable than when you bought it. It's like having a valuable asset that can bring you money and grow in worth. Just remember, taking care of the property and choosing good tenants are important to make rental housing a successful and meaningful investment. Property owners can deduct various expenses related to their rental properties, including mortgage interest, property taxes, insurance premiums, repairs, and maintenance costs. These deductions can help reduce the overall tax liability associated with the rental property, resulting in potential tax savings. Rental housing represents a tangible asset that provides a sense of ownership and control. Unlike other investment types, property owners can physically see and manage their properties. This can provide a sense of security and a direct connection to the investment.